remember I told you guys that I was going to fix these palettes. I just fixed this one. And what I did was I used, let me see if I can get this right. Hold on. I used the alcohol and I used like my tweezers to like smash it up. So right now I'm about to just try to smash this up so we can get it all how it needs to be, because it was already broke, so we want to just get it flat. So let's get it all nice and chalked up, or whatever. Alright, so let's get it. As soon as I think I got most of it broken up, then I will go ahead and apply the alcohol. Alright, and I got this is the alcohol, okay, and I poured in a full cap, and I'm just gonna pour that in there, okay, and then I'm going to, then I mix it up, mix it up, try to get the product. Then I'll pour some more alcohol in my cap. This alcohol, and I will pour it. Poured it in the other one. I didn't mean to. It ain't gonna do nothing though. It'll dry up in the other one. Okay, so now I'm going to just try to let this melt, absorb all the alcohol. And then once it absorbs all the alcohol, then what I do is I will scrape it off. Okay. And then we'll just start smashing it down so we can have a new eyeshadow. So we get it back brand new. So we'll press it in, and of course it's not gonna be all pretty and flat because I'm not going to try to like flatten it out. I mean, it will dry. It will dry, so I'm not gonna really be too big on what it looks like when it dries. As long as it's whole, that's all that I care about, to be honest with you. So I'm just wiping around the area. So, and now we have both pans filled. We got that one done. We have the gold fix. So now we have all the, it's all messed up around here. It needs to be, wiped off or whatever, but we got everything settled. So now what you do is you leave that. Now we're gonna fix the one I've been saying I was gonna fix, okay? Now we're gonna fix this one. I'm gonna fix this one because whoa. So we can get it to do what it do. Make our eyeshadow back because it was gone. And just make sure you get all the dry stuff so you can mix it. And then that pearl color is so pretty, y'all. I was mad when I dropped this one because that color is like bomb. I really haven't got like a chance to use it like that because it was all broke up. Alright, so we took that and we did that one. Yes, it's messy. We got to go around, clean it all up or whatever. Yep, messy. Mash it up. Break it down. Break it down. Go around it. I don't know how this one gonna work. It just seems like it's already overfilled. Like, I don't want to smash it up no more. Alright, so now I'm gonna pour me some more alcohol in the cap. Okay. And I'm gonna pour it right in the middle. Right in the middle. Let it absorb the product. And then we'll fix it. Alright. Now. Okay, so we just putting that alcohol back in this one. We're gonna mix it up, mix it up. So all the product, you want the product to get pasty. You don't want nothing, you don't want anything dry. Nothing dry. You want it all pasty. And y'all, I'm sorry. I know y'all didn't get a chance to see my face today, but baby, I am looking a mess. So I was gonna just do this. And I was like, well, you know what? Let me shoot a video because I know a lot of people ask, like, well, how do you fix this and how do you fix that? And I'm telling you, if you go to a store and something is broke like that, tell them to come off their money and take it home and fix it, yo. Like, it's still the same product. You're just fixing it. So I always love looking for the broke stuff. I look for the broke stuff and be like, can you give me like 75% off of this because it's broke? And they'll sell it to you. Okay, so now I'm about to do the other one. I got alcohol in this cap. And we're gonna pour the you see that the alcohol where it's going around here, it'll dry. Where the water is, the alcohol kind of went through. It'll dry. But right now, it's gonna seep. But our eyeshadows are going to be fixed. So I ain't even mad. I ain't mad at you. So I'm just mixing the eyeshadow together. To make sure it's kind of like on my leg, so it won't fall off or whatever. Alright. I'm just going and digging in around the sides. And I'll clean up the mess. And then I'll pour more in there to try to get there. Pour a little bit at a time. I couldn't get it out. So now you could probably make a lipstick out of this junk. Shoot, pretty as it is. All right, so I'm just still mixing. And you don't want it so liquidy. You want it to be pasty like this, so it'll be easy for you to, distribute the product like evenly. Be able to lay it back flat. You want it easy to be able to lay back down. So this one worked out nice. All right, push through. All right. That one came together nice. I'm liking that. I'm just evenly trying to lay it. Yes, push through. Push through, Tiff. All right, so just trying to make it flat. Then I'll get my cotton ball and just go around it. Or try to. I think when I get it dry, more dry, I'll try to Get around. It'd be easier if you have like a Q-tip to do this with. So those ones are fixed. Those 3 are now fixed. We're going to set them out and let them be dry. Let them get dry for about 24 hours. So now we have a highlighter. This is a highlight palette. My daughter, she's always bumping into stuff. So she broke it. Now I have to fix this one. So this is the highlighter. It's already basically nice and chunked up. Broke up because when she dropped it, it fell hard. So now I have to fix this one. Okay, this same routine, chopping it up, breaking it down, back it up, break it up. Yeah, so it's just the same routine, you know, go around the edges, get all the dry product off so we can pour this alcohol in, mix it up, get everything nice and pasty so we can lay it flat. Like, my daughter, like, if you have kids, you're always going to end up with broken palettes. Like, it's always, or if they're hanging off the edge of your desk, oh my God, it's over. It's over. So it was really over. It was like overdue. I really needed to fix these palettes. Like, I haven't even been able to play in them like that because they were just messed up. So yeah, that is the easy way of saving your makeup. Some people be like, oh my God, it's messed up. And then when it breaks, they just throw out all of the excess stuff. No, baby, we're going to fix it. And just clean around the area. Okay. And then we will let this sit for 24 hours. And we are done, you guys.